Epsom salt, baking soda, and orange tea, and sweet orange essential oil. This next step is optional but felt it was a fun addition to the gift. Start by cutting the orange into slices to dry. I dried them in the oven at 200 degrees Fahrenheit for about 2 hours. The thicker the slices, the longer they will take to dry. After about an hour, I turned the slices upside down to make sure that both sides of the oranges dried, and then returned the tray to the oven. All done, set aside. Next, add 3/4 cup Epsom salt, 1/2 cup baking soda, 2 orange tea bags, and about 15 drops of orange essential oil. Mix well together. I tell you, the smell is absolutely incredible. Once the mixture is well mixed, you can add it to the container. I am using a 12-ounce jar. To finish it off, I add one of my dried orange slices and sprinkle the third bag of orange tea on top. Close and add the label.